Well, 20 model years later, I'm back on a Thundercat. I had one in 02, the last year there of the triple, and I had an opportunity to pick this rig up the other day, so I got a few miles on it already. But obviously Thundercat, legendary horsepower, you know, straight line. All the videos you see is just mostly, you know, across the lake, and everybody's, which it does really well. It's got big horsepower, the whole 9 yards. What I'm wondering is, can we get this thing around the corners? It's pretty heavy. It has power steering, which really helps. But I like really shredding corners, like on my Catalyst. So I just wanted to see if that's possible on a big iron sled like this thing. So let's find out. Hopefully some of the noises and the turbo sounds and all that come through on video, because when you lay into this thing, holy cow, does it go. It definitely needs a better track. It's got an 1.25 inch ripsaw, which is fine, but there's no, the braking and the acceleration is not quite the same. Like on my Catalyst, I have that backcountry X2, and yeah, it really gives you confidence. This thing sort of, and the snow is a little washy today. It's probably 3 degrees above freezing here, so the snow's not that tight. But anyway, pushes a bit in the corners, but I think that's because of the snow mostly. But with the power steering, the cornering is effortless, and it corners pretty flat. So far, I'm really enjoying this sled. I mean, obviously the power is unbelievable. I think with a decent track, I'm not really a stud guy. I'm more of a, you know, deeper lug track guy. Not super deep, but deep enough for the trail. Yeah, these tight turns here, power steering, awesome. Okay, we're heading into a little bit tighter part now, so this will be good. Pushing, but that's because of the snow. There's a quicker switchback. Yeah, the snow is just not there today, but it's an indication of what it's like. There's a 90. Inside. Yeah, so when you light her up corner to corner, that is exciting. Holy, this thing gets down. It's flat light today, so it's kind of hard to see corners perfectly. Cut back under. fast sweeper here. Not bad. It almost feels like you're steering with the rear end because it's got so much power. You kind of get it around and then lay into it. Well, so far my thoughts are, yeah, you can get it around the corners, but it takes a lot of effort. My catalyst, I can just rail those corners like nothing, and you know, not be huffing and puffing. And this thing, yeah, I'm sweating. Although it's not cold out today, but still, yeah. But after you get around that corner and lay into her, that's where the money is. Holy cow! This thing is amazing. I think with some CNAs and a better track, she'd be a bullet.